How to create a Valorant account on your device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily create a Valorant account on your device. Now to do so is quite simple. First you want to head into your browser and you want to search in for Valorant account create or Valorant account sign in. Then you'll get the very first link, playvalorant.com. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed into this page that I showed you before at the beginning of the video. Now here, let this load up. You want to simply tap on play free option, and once you do so, here you can see two different options, make one and sign in. You want to simply tap on make one option. Since you don't have an account, you want to register a new account, right? Once you tap on it, you want to enter in your email address, or you can simply choose your Facebook account or Google account or Apple account or Xbox account. You want to simply type in your email, and then you want to simply tap on next here, and then you want to type in your birth date and your month and then your year. Now once you tap on it, you want to simply tap on next again, and here choose a username. Here once you choose your username, you want to simply tap on next again, and you want to choose your password. Now as you can see, I've chosen my password. You want to simply tap on confirm password here and type in your password. Once you retype in your password, you want to simply tap on next again, and your account should be created here. Now you can see it's loading. It might take some time, but it'll load up and eventually create an account for you. Now you can see the account has been created, and now you can simply download the game, and once you download the game, you can log in using the same account that you just created. So this way you can create a Valorant account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.